Hi, AT from CNC at Home. A while back I made a coaster for a friend of mine for playing gaming, and over time stuff has happened to it, and he asked if I could make him a new one. In doing that, I decided to try a few different methods to see how things turned out. I'll get this cleaned up and it should look pretty good. These coasters seem to turn out pretty well. I did a few different methods on this just to see how things would turn out. This first one, I used a tile that had been sitting around for a year, and it uses the white paint method. I just sprayed the white paint on it, lasered it, and it turned out nicely. When you see it in real life, the black part isn't quite as black as using the titanium dioxide, which these other three use the titanium dioxide method. Technically, this is the titanium dioxide method too, as it is the titanium dioxide in the white paint that makes this whole process work. These other three tiles, instead of using white paint, use a direct application of titanium dioxide. One of the things that I did was I tried doing different fill techniques. This is the standard fill, where it was just going back and forth in my X direction, and it looks good. These two are using the offset fill method. In this case, that can really decrease the amount of time it takes to burn the tile. Here it has to scan back and forth, and there's a lot of white space that it's just moving the laser across and not doing anything. When you use the offset fill, it takes an area and just moves around in that, so it spends more time burning and less time just moving around. Both of these used that method, and they turned out really nicely. In person, you can see the difference from different angles. On the video, I don't know if you're really going to be able to notice the difference. Both methods work great. On this project, it's estimating just under 27 minutes to do a burn using the offset fill. For the regular fill mode, it's about 31.5 minutes. Not a huge savings on this particular project. It does save about 4 minutes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of our channel, think about subscribing, as that really helps us out. Enjoy doing your CNC at Home projects.